Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is our Electronic Engineering Materials Micro Project. The topic given to us was demonstrate effects of various modes of magnetism. This project was completed by the combined efforts of our group members Sukumari Pawar, Kaushal Deshpande, myself Soham Devne, Rohit Khese and Saurav Rathod. We all study in first year diploma ENTC branch, semester 2nd of Zil Polytechnic in division H. Magnetism. Magnetism is the force exerted by magnets when they attract or repel each other. Magnetism is caused by the motion of electric charges. Modes of magnetism: diamagnetism, paramagnetism, ferromagnetism, antiferromagnetism, ferrimagnetism, superparamagnetism. Diamagnetism. Diamagnetism appears in all materials and is the tendency of a material to oppose an applied magnetic field. Diamagnetic materials are repelled by a magnetic field. An applied magnetic field creates an induced magnetic field in them in the opposite direction, causing a repulsive force. Paramagnetism. Paramagnetism is a form of magnetism whereby some materials are weakly attracted by an externally applied magnetic field and form internal induced magnetic fields in the direction of the applied magnetic field. Paramagnetism is due to the presence of unpaired electrons in the material. Ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism is the basic mechanism by which certain materials form permanent magnets or are attracted to magnets. Ferromagnetism is an unusual property that occurs in only few substances. The most common ones are the transition metals iron, nickel, and cobalt. Antiferromagnetism. Antiferromagnetism is a type of magnetism in which solid such as manganese oxide in which adjacent ions that behave as tiny magnets spontaneously align themselves at relatively low temperatures into opposite or antiparallel arrangements throughout the material so that it exhibits almost no gross external magnetism. Ferrimagnetism. Ferrimagnetism is a type of permanent magnetism that occurs in solids in which the magnetic fields associated with individual atoms spontaneously align themselves some parallel or in the same direction and others generally antiparallel or paired off in opposite directions. Superparamagnetism. Superparamagnetism is a form of magnetism which appears in small ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic nanoparticles. In sufficiently small nanoparticles, magnetization can randomly flip direction under the influence of temperature. So this has been our project. Thanks.
Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.